Looks like crickets have been going in this little hole here. I'm going to try to figure something else out to get the debris out. But make sure you get this thing cleaned out on your house. It's not really letting any exhaust out when it's all clogged up. Maybe I'll try to fold this sheet metal down and bend that down and clean it. I'll figure it out. Maybe I could just put a new one in there. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's really attached right here. And bugs have probably been crawling into my house through there, unbeknownst to me.